Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Maltese emote in Heartopia game Maltese event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this latest update, Heartopia has collaboration with Maltese, and I'm going to go to the event menu. Okay, this is the event, the Maltese event, and in this event you'll be able to get new emotes, which is the Maltese emote, and I'm going to show you how you can get the emote. You can go to this menu, acorn exhibition, and then you can scroll down, select go with puppy, and you need to have this exhibition pass to draw, and if you're lucky you will get this Maltese emote. And I'm still working on it guys. I haven't unlocked this emote yet. I still need to farm exhibition pass. Okay, so you can get it from gacha. Just go to the acorn exhibition and select go with puppy. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the Maltese emote in Heartopia X Maltese update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.